This video we are going to show you how to remove the monitor, radio, CD player and the sync module from Ford Focus 2011, which is similar to the other years. And the tools that you need is just this yellow dashboard removal tool and this small flat screwdriver, and then plus the size T25 Torx screwdriver. We already made everything loose, by the way, so this is just for the demo. And the first step, you need to remove this plastic cover underneath the AC panel and the radio. You just have to insert your flat screwdriver and then just remove this plastic cover from underneath. Here you go. So these are the clips which holds it in. You just have to push these little tabs inward and then you can pull the cover out. And once you get it out, you can then the Torx screws will be exposed, two of them. It's a size T25 Torx. Once you got those screws out, and then you pop the whole panel out. You have to, this is here, it's very easy to remove, but you might be struggling to pop this panel out because it's very tight. So you have to insert your this yellow or orange dashboard removal tool on the side and then force it out with both hands, and then you can remove the cover. And I'll show you where the clips are, so this way you know. See, these are the clips which holds this unit in, and the same thing on the driver's side, and these are the actual and the clips which holds the and then there is a one on the driver's side too. So you know where to apply the pressure to get the panel out, and once you get it out, and then you can remove the screws, the mounting screws for the display and the radio. Four of them, two on the driver's side and then two on the passenger side, and then the whole thing comes out as one piece. And here you go. And this unit, it consists of three pieces. Is the radio and the CD player is this one, and here this is your display and the monitor, and then this piece on the back is the sync module. And the most common problem with this unit, the display becomes black and then you have no sound. So the problem, it could be the radio, or in most of the cases the sync module, if it malfunctions, and then your display becomes black. And if you need any repair for this unit, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.